Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. So welcome back, Rebel Canners. I have an announcement. I have decided to do the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge. And as part of that, I'm going to be, she lets you set up your own rules. So I'm going to be deciding my rules today. I will be buying some things at the store, fresh fruits and vegetables, because I don't have a lot of those in my pantry. Obviously, it's winter in Michigan and they're not readily available like they are. But I will try to use as much as I can out of my pantry and teach people how to do pantry meals. So I am taking, and I have this cookbook and a highlighter. What am I doing with that to prepare? Well, let me turn the camera around. I'm going to show you. So I'm going through every recipe, even if it's like an appetizer recipe, and I am highlighting the things I have canned. So I have cream cheese canned, I know in my pantry. I have peppers canned in my pantry. I have peanuts, walnuts, pecans. I have mushrooms that I've canned. I have pizza sauce that I've canned. And nuts, walnuts. I have some cheddar cheese, processed cheese that I've canned, marinara sauce. So I'm going through every recipe in this book and I am highlighting what I have. So, I don't have a cow, so I'll probably buy cheese, but I could use my processed cheese instead of that. But I'm going through and I'm like, I could make a turkey pot pie because I have, it's not ground turkey, but I could use, I may have some ground turkey down there. But I have, 1 pound, that's half a pint of ground turkey. I know that I've canned a lot of my ground meat with onion. So if I did a regular shepherd's pie, I would use a half pint of my ground beef that I canned with onion. I can make my gravy out of my broth. I know I have mashed potatoes, instant mashed potatoes in the basement. I didn't highlight that because I want another for food storage items. I'm going to come through with another color. But I'm just going through. Let me flip it for you here. Every recipe in this book is highlighted. So if the item is canned in my pantry, it's there. And now I have a book that tells me I have everything in this recipe except for spices, which I know I have on my shelf. So I could make sloppy joes. So I can go through now and make out a menu for the month of January and February based on ideas from my cookbook. And then, there's desserts. Some of these I didn't, I have canned blueberry pie filling. So I could do a blueberry crisp because I have oats downstairs. I have flour, walnuts, butter I have canned. All of these things I could make this recipe very easily. So that's how I'm preparing for the challenge. I'm going through, I am checking recipes, and I'm making my meal plan. So step 1 on the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge. First step is to plan my menu. All right, come along with me. We'll see how we do on this. See if we can keep under a $50 budget for each week for fresh goods that I need, like cheese, any milk that I'm using that isn't canned for drinking. I don't drink my canned milk. So we'll see what we can do for the pantry challenge. Come along with me, Rebel Canners. Thank you. Here's another video you just might like. And before you leave, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.